Abraham and Sarah longed for a child, but many years passed. God promised Abraham, "You will be the father of many nations," yet they were both very old, and the promise seemed impossible. Sarah, feeling hopeless, asked Abraham to have a child through her servant Hagar. Hagar gave birth to Ishmael, Abraham's first son. Abraham loved Ishmael, and God promised to make him into a great nation. But years later, something miraculous happened. When Abraham was 100 and Sarah was 90, God fulfilled his promise. Sarah gave birth to Isaac, the son God had promised from the beginning. As the boys grew, tension rose between them, and Hagar and Ishmael were sent away. But God comforted them in the wilderness and promised that Ishmael would still become a great nation. Isaac remained the child through whom God's covenant would continue. 2 sons, 2 futures.